Welcome everyone. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can upgrade from the basic plan to the prime package on Glamour. But before that, I'll kind of give you a quick breakdown of the differences between the prime package and the basic plan. Now the basic plan, on the basic plan you can earn through the Glam works and the Glam dark mode only. So these are the two packages or the two any features that you can actually earn from on the basic plan. While for the prime package you can earn through all these features mentioned here, both the Glam words, the Glam dark mode, the Glam lifestyle, the Glam crypto cash, and every one of them here. And added to that, the Glam prime the Glam Prime package also helps you earn with AI enability, which means you earn stress-free. Basically, what this means is that you earn with the aid of AI. So all these tags I mentioned now, this AI on this Glam Prime will help you actually do most of the tasks. So you don't really have to even do much. All you have to do is to go into the platform and claim your earnings. Basically, the AI will do everything for you automatically. Now, immediately you go into your account as a Glam Prime user, you already have your balance will add up. You understand, because the AI is already actively working for you. The only activity that you should do as a Glam Prime user is the Glam works only. After doing this particular activity, you'll be earning with your AI. So to upgrade, all you have to do is to go here, click on upgrade to Glam Prime package. Now to upgrade from your basic plan to the Glam Prime package, you have to make a one-time payment of 6,000 naira, which in turn accumulates both your registration fee plus the 6k, which is 20k, which is obviously the registration fee for the Glam Prime package. So all you have to do is to come over here and input the amount and then click on activate upgrade. So once you do that, you can see right here your plan has been upgraded to the Glam Prime package. Now that I'm on the Glam Prime package, I'll be earning with the AI on the platform, and as you can see my Glam AI is already active, so I am currently earning as we speak. Now let me go back to my dashboard, check my history. As you can see, Glam Prime upgrade bonus 1.5 euros just right now for just upgrading. Now as I've upgraded, my balance will keep increasing without me having to do much on my account. So that's exactly how you can upgrade your account from the basic package on Glamour to the Glam Prime package on Glamour. So if you got value from this video, do well to like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in my next update.